Lighting spaces is crucial to the success of an interior rendering. There are many settings in V-Ray that will affect the lighting. The materials in the space, the brightness of the light, the color temperature, the placement and direction of the light, the type of light, the number of lights, camera exposure, etc. We will just cover the basics to get started. The more you play around with the settings in V-Ray, the more you will learn. With a rendering plugin for SketchUp installed, we can now render the scene. Go to Menu Bar and select Extensions, V-Ray, Rendering, Render. At this point, a rendering window should open up to show you the progress of rendering. To see the extents of the image, select View, Zoom VFB, Zoom to Fit. You can see that this render will not be much use. That's because we haven't told V-Ray how the space is lit. At a minimum, V-Ray needs to know how many lights we want, where the lights are located, and how bright they are. To add lights to a model, go to the menu bar and select Extensions, V-Ray, Lights, Sphere Light. Then click in the model to place the light and drag the cursor to determine its size. You can then select the light and move it in the space. Let's try rendering again. Now we have two problems. 1. The light isn't bright enough. 2. We can see the actual light in the middle of the space. To edit these parameters, we need to go to the Asset Editor. Go to the menu bar and select Extensions, V-Ray, Asset Editor. In the Asset Editor, the second tab from the left shows the lights in the model. Here we can see the sphere light listed. If the Parameters menu isn't already open, click the arrow to the right of the menu. Here, we can change the brightness. And in the Options section, we can make the light invisible. Let's try rendering again. Now the light is excessively bright in part of the room and other parts of the room are dark. Let's try reducing the brightness and adding multiple lights. You can copy lights in SketchUp in the same way that you copy other objects. With the Move tool active, press Ctrl to copy the light. Let's try rendering again. This looks better. Now the issue is the light in the glass reflection. Let's go back to the Asset Editor. In the parameters for the sphere light, we can turn off Affect Reflections. Let's try rendering again. This is a really basic tutorial to get up and running with rendering an interior space. Lighting is a huge area of interior design, and in some applications, you will want to light spaces in much more realistic ways to test materials and lighting more effectively. You will find more advanced, in-depth tutorials on YouTube.